Hello everyone, myself Nikita Kamble from TC Division of Computer Department from ZIL College of Engineering Pune. Our project group members are Nikita Kamble and Rutuja Nigde. Our SDL mini project topic is e-farming. We create a e-farming web portal using Java and Oracle database. This e-farming portal is very useful for farmers to obtain information about crops and the fertilizers. Also, the farmers can buy and sell their products on this web portal. In this project, there are three entities: admin, buyer and seller. This is home page of the e-farming portal. On this page, there are home, admin, buyer, seller, get information and help button is available. The home button is used to return to the home page. When the user go to the buyer button, first the user have to register. So that we create one registration form for the user to register. When the user fills the registration form, the data of that form is stored into the database and the user goes to the buyer page. So we have to fill this form. In the buyer page, the buyer can buy the items. There are view rates, buy, profile, logout buttons are present. In the view rates, the rates of the items are present which is sold by the seller. When the seller adds the item to sell, this data is stored into the database. And when the user checks the view rates page, at that time the data is retrieved and displayed into the view rates page. So that the user can buy the item, the another page is present into the buyer page is buy. In this page there are multiple products or items are available to buy. When the user buy any item, at that time the user have to fill one form of the personal details. In this form the user have to fill the name, address and mobile number details. In this way, the users can buy any item. When the user buy any item, the message will appear called buy the product successfully or thanking for buying the product. The another button present in the buyer page is profile button. In the profile page, the users can check or see the personal details of the user which is entered by the user. When he or she registers, the data of the users is retrieved from the database and displayed on the profile page. And the logout button is used to go to the home page. When we click on a seller button, we go to the seller page. But at the first, the user have to register. So in the seller page, we also create one registration form. When the user registers, after that he or she goes to the seller page. In the seller page, there is add item, sale, view rates, profile and logout section is available. In the add item page, the seller can add the items to sell. When the seller is added the item to sell, this data stored and this data goes to the view rates page. This is view rates page. And in the sell page, the product or the items are present which is the seller wants to sell, so that on click of a sell button, one form is appear. When the seller fills the form, the items is available to sell. After that, there is a one profile page. It's present. In this page, the profile or the details of the seller is displayed. And this logout button is used to return to the home page. And the home button is also used to return to the home page. Remaining part will explain by Rutuja.
Hello, myself Rutuja. I will explain the admin, get information and help button. In the admin page, we create one login form. So when the user can log in, the user can go to the admin page. In the login form, the user have to enter the username and password. When the admin login, the admin page is open and one message will appear called welcome and the name of the user. In the admin page, there is 3 sections: about, go to buyer page, go to seller page. In the about section, we display the information about our e-farming web portal, and this page is a static page. After that, this is buyer page and this is seller page. With the help of this button, the admin can directly go to the buyer page and seller page. The admin don't need to register to go to the buyer page and seller page because the admin has the rights to go to the buyer page and seller page. This is buyer page, this is seller page. And the facilities which is available in the buyer page and seller page is similar to as she explained. And this back button is used to return to the home page. The main motto of this web portal is to display the information about crops and the fertilizer. So we create one get information page. On this page we display the information about crops and fertilizer. In this page there is 2 buttons are present called crops and fertilizers. In the crops page we display the information related to multiple different types of crops. In this page we display the suitable climate, suitable environment for the crops, also the soil which is required for the crops, etc. There are cereal crop, fiber crops, fruit crops, root crops, sugar crops, vegetable crops, oil and protein crops pages are available. When we go to the particular page, the this type of particular crops information is present. For example, in the cereal crops, the different types of cereal crops information is present. In the fiber crops, the different type of fiber crops information is present. In fruit crops, the information related to different fruit crops is present. In the root crops, in this way, the different types of crops information is present in a crops page. And into the fertilizers page, the different types of fertilizers information is present. We display the information related to inorganic fertilizers, nitrogen fertilizers, phosphorus fertilizers, and organic fertilizers. This information is very useful for the farmers to check which fertilizer is useful for which crops. And the last button is available on a home page is help. This help button is used to display the information about our e-farming manager. In this page we display the information of a e-farming manager, means the mobile number of the e-farming manager, mail of the e-farming manager. So if the user have any query, then the user can mail or contact to the e-farming manager. And this page is a static page. These all things are created in this project. That's it from our side. Hope you like our project. Thank you.